Finding the best BPA-free air fryer can feel confusing when you want safer cooking without giving up crispy results or everyday convenience. From my experience testing different air fryers, the best BPA-free air fryer balances safe materials, steady heat, and easy cleaning, which matters a lot for busy home kitchens across the USA, where air fryers are used almost daily. I've spent years comparing air fryer performance, materials, and real cooking results, so I'll share honest insights, including what works well and where some models fall short. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Cosori Turbo Blaze 6-quart ceramic air fryer. The Cosori Turbo Blaze 6-quart ceramic air fryer feels quick and easy for everyday cooking, especially when you want crispy food without extra oil. I like how the Turbo Blaze airflow cooks evenly, so fries and chicken come out golden without constant checking. The ceramic coat finish also feels safer and easier to clean compared to many non-stick baskets. The 6-quart size works well for small families while keeping the counter uncluttered. Cooking modes are simple to understand, even for beginners. The only downside is that the fan can sound noticeable at high speed, but results stay consistent and satisfying for daily meals. Number 4. Ninja Crispy Pro 6-in-1 Glass Air Fryer. The Ninja Crispy Pro 6-in-1 Glass Air Fryer feels designed for people who want simple, clean cooking with less worry about coatings, making it a strong choice when searching for the best BPA PFOA-free air fryer for everyday use. I like how the clean, crisp glassware lets you cook, store, and reheat in the same container, which saves time during busy weeks. The airflow is strong, and the Max Crisp mode gives fries and chicken a nice crunch without much oil. The modular sizes are helpful when cooking for one day or a full family meal. I also found the glass containers easy to move from freezer to air fryer, which makes meal prep easier. Controls are clear and beginner-friendly, so there's little learning curve. The only downside is that glass can feel heavier than basket-style models. Still, it feels like a practical choice for anyone who wants a non-toxic air fryer with flexible cooking and everyday convenience. Number 3. Big Boss 16-quart Large Glass Air Fryer. The Big Boss 16-quart Large Glass Air Fryer feels made for big family meals and simple cooking days. I like how the large glass bowl lets you see food cook without opening the lid. The 360-degree convection heat helps food cook evenly, and fries or chicken come out crisp with little oil. The size is great when cooking more than one dish at once, especially with the 3 rack levels. It also feels reassuring for people who want a non-toxic option without coated baskets. Cleanup is easier than expected because of the auto clean function, which saves time after heavy meals. Controls are simple, so beginners can start cooking quickly. The downside is that it takes more counter space than compact models. Still, for large families or batch cooking, it feels practical, easy to use, and reliable for everyday meals. Number 2. Typhor Dome 2 AI Upgraded Air Fryer. The Typhor Dome 2 AI Upgraded Air Fryer feels designed for people who want faster cooking without giving up even results. I noticed how quickly food crisped, especially wings and frozen snacks, thanks to the 360 heat airflow that cooks evenly from all sides. The cooking space feels wide, so fitting pizza or toast is easy for busy weeknights. I also liked the AI recipe system, which helps remove guesswork when trying new meals. It feels helpful if you cook often but do not want to keep adjusting settings. The airflow keeps food crispy with less shaking, and the quiet operation makes it comfortable to use daily. The downside is the higher price, so it may not suit every budget. Still, for people who want smart features, fast cooking, and consistent texture, it feels like a modern upgrade that saves time in real kitchens. Number 1. Fritair Non-Toxic Glass Air Fryer 5-quart. The Fritair Non-Toxic Glass Air Fryer 5-quart feels different right away if you are searching for the best BPA-free air fryer that focuses on safer materials and simple cooking. I liked the clear glass bowl because I could watch food cook without opening the lid, and the 360 glass visibility makes it easy to avoid overcooking. The cooking results stay even, especially for fries and chicken, and cleanup feels easier thanks to the self-cleaning mode, which saves time after busy dinners. I also appreciate that it avoids chemical coatings, which makes it feel closer to the best non-toxic BPA-free choice for health-focused kitchens. The rotisserie feature is fun, though the 5-quart size may feel small for large families. It works best for small households or everyday meals where safety, visibility, and easy cleaning matter most. Final verdict. If you want the safest and most balanced choice overall, I personally recommend the Fritair non-toxic glass air fryer 5-quart as the top pick. It stands out for its glass cooking chamber, non-toxic materials, and simple, worry-free cooking experience, making it a great everyday option for families focused on cleaner air frying. For those who want advanced features and faster performance, the Typher Dome 2 AI upgraded air fryer is a strong recommendation, especially if you like smart cooking features, larger capacity, and premium airflow technology. At the end of the day, the best choice depends on how you cook and what features matter most to you. Check the description links for current prices and more details, and pick the air fryer that fits your style and need best.